Hello everyone, good day, good to see you once again. I want to believe you're doing good. I want to believe we are having a good time with the market. In this video I want to talk about how to make Forex Snipper entries. How to make Forex Snipper entries. There's something called Sniper entry. I don't know if you know that. Of course, I want to believe the people watching this video, some of them are new to trading, some of them are professionals, some are yet to be traders. So, there is something called Sniper entry. And okay, let's define Sniper entry. Sniper entry is a kind of entry that immediately, or let's put it this way, it's a kind of entry that immediately you make, the market will do a little or no pullback and move in your direction. So I don't know if you have you ever taken a trade and immediately you got in the market starts or your trade start reading in profit until it hits your TP. That is Sniper entry. I know some people take trade. Of course, it's not strange where you take a trade and it's running at loss, or it starts running at loss, and it runs at loss for 3 to 6 hours, sometimes 8 hours before it starts running in profit. So I think that's that aspect of, or that kind of trading where the market has to run at loss for a while before it starts running profit can be avoidable. Yeah, it can be avoidable. So you can always make Sniper entries where every single trade you take starts running in profit immediately after you take trade. So how do you do that? That's exactly what we want to teach in this video. So let's get right into it. Firstly, when you open your chart, you do your analysis in a higher time frame. Let's say you are an intraday trader and of course you don't want to allow your trade run into the next day. So you want to do your analysis in the daily and the 4 hours time frame. This is the daily and the 4 hours time frame. So after doing this, you want to know the reason for doing your analysis first on the higher time frame is to know what direction the market is going for the day, where to expect the market, where you should expect the market to go for the whole day. That's the long term. In the long term, where's the market going? That's what you want to know. That's why you're doing your analysis in a higher time frame. You don't want to be confused about whether you should buy or not to buy. So you do your analysis in the higher time frame, let's say the 4 hours, and you can tell, okay, the market is going bullish today. After that, what you have to do is to get to the lesser time frame, and I recommend the 15 minutes. Get to the lesser time frame and also see what direction is the market going at the time. So let's try this. This is a chart of gold. You can see one live market. This is a chart of gold, and on the 4 hours time frame, we can see this is this is not exactly a pin bar, so I would like to call this a bullish arami or a bullish inside bar. That's what we can see on the 4 hours, meaning we're expecting the market to go bullish. That's one. Secondly, we can see that the 10-day simple moving average is below the candlestick, which is also another sign that it's going bullish up. Of course, we can see a bullish trend is already in existence. So the market is already bullish, is already moving in a bullish trend. So we can say that this market is going bullish. So let's say this is where we want our TP to be. Let's say here is where we want our TP to be. You can see the red line. So this is where we want our TP to be. So what's the next thing we want to do? We get to the 15 minutes, which is a lesser time frame, and we check what do we do from here. Now, if you come to the 15 minutes and you see something like this, even though on the higher time frame you can see a bullish signal, when you come to the lesser time frame and you see something like this, maybe a bearish, which is actually a bearish signal, what do? You hold on. You hold on. In trading, the higher time frame will supersede the lower time frame, but the lower time frame is likely to play in the short term. So if you don't want to have pullbacks, you have to hold on for a while until you can now see a bullish candlestick or bullish reversal candlestick on the lesser time frame, which means that the bullish move has started. So until you see that, so if you now see that happening on the lesser time frame, you can now enter a trade. Immediately you enter the trade, the market will move in your direction. There is going to be an instant move or a little pullback. So what we are doing, or the essence for sniper entry, is to ensure we have little or no pullback. So that's exactly what you're going to do if you use this formula. You wait for a bullish reversal candlestick on the lesser time frame, then you take a trade. If you're not seeing that on the lesser time frame, what you want to do is wait. Now, if you choose not to wait, you can still take your trade from what you see on the higher time frame. Be rest assured, there are great chances that there's going to be a pullback, and that pullback will last for a while. You can't tell how long. If you're doing your analysis on the daily time frame, and let's say the daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame, and perhaps your TP is higher, or from what you're seeing on the daily time frame, maybe it's okay. This is also bullish. So you now take a trade based on what you're seeing on the daily time frame, and you don't care to check what's happening on the lesser time frame. It will take a long time. You know, the daily time frame is quite huge, of which, of course, you're expecting the trade to run for maybe 2, 3, 5 days before it gets to your TP, and you did not consider the lesser time frame, that you could even run in loss for about 24 hours before your analysis, or before the market start moving according to your analysis. So if you want to do sniper entry, you don't want to have pullbacks. You don't want to have much pullback. You don't want to have any pullback. Wait for confirmation on the lesser time frame, having done your analysis on the higher time frame. So wait for confirmation on the lesser time frame, take your trade, and watch it go in your direction. So that's how to do sniper entry. I hope you've learned something. I hope this is quite cool. So if we had taken that trade, of course I said this would have been this should be our TP, and of course our stop loss should be somewhere below the wick of the previous candlestick. So if you're seeing this video, you may want to take this trade. But your stop loss could be there and your TP here. So that would be like a 1:5. 1:5. And you can see your money rolling. So that's it. That's it. So that's about it. That's about sniper entry. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, do well to give us a thumbs up. If you like what we're doing on this channel, do well to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time we release videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified, and you can be the first to watch the video and you learn alongside. Like we always say, trading is a highly risky endeavor. You don't want to try it without proper training. So do well to take a proper training before you venture into trading. You want us to train you, you can visit our website and choose any of the training models you want. To subscribe for our signals, do well to visit our website and choose the signal package you want. You want us to manage your account, you can also contact us through our website or any of our social media handles. Thank you for your time. See you in our next video. Bye for now.
Hey, are you looking for a platform where you can have your Forex account managed? Or do you have intention to participate in the Forex markets, but you don't know how to trade? My name is Nsika Kakban and I'm the lead tutor of Noah Digital Academy. We do training, we do signal provision, we do account management. You can see our results here and here. If you are interested in our account management service, visit our website at www.noahenterprise.com or click on the link below. If you're okay with our terms of service, you fill the form underneath and submit, or you contact us through any of our social media handles and we discuss business. See you inside.